So I look at food as being something that should be pleasurable first. So the idea of creating synthetic meat, it seems antithetical to everything I believe in, which is to say, I see it as the enemy. Anytime you discuss food as sustenance first, without any consideration for happiness, joy, magic even. We waste a lot of meat in this country. There are plenty of cuts of meat off the animal that we throw away and do not use. And you can make wonderful things out of those products. I think we should be doing that long before we start thinking about a growing meat-like product in the lab. And if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, and you are spending your time patting yourself on the back that you're eating a meat-like substitute made from some weird soy product, how do you think they develop that stuff? Like, how do they know it tastes like meat? Somebody somewhere is killing something, believe me. And the stuff's awful in any case.